Hi, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. This project started because of a trip through Walmart's crafts section. Folk Arts come out with some new paint, and it's called Color Shift. And I don't know if you can tell, but when the light hits it, it changes color. There's a iridescence to it that's slightly different than the color of the paint. Now this gave me an idea to put a new twist on an old craft. I didn't get the yellow, because Walmart didn't have it, and I found it at Joann's, but it was almost twice the price. So we'll make do with this. And I also got some pearl finish to add with some of this. This is really thick paint. It takes a long time to dry, but the colors are beautiful. Making these ornaments is a little time consuming, but it's worth it in the long run. All you do is open up the paint and start pouring it into the clear ornaments. And these are everywhere right now. Ooh, you can already see the colors in there that are changing. After you have it covered all the way through, you just turn it upside down and let it drain. And this takes a while. I usually let it sit overnight. My son loves this shade of green, so to make it just that color would be a little boring. So I added some of the white pearl to it. And he likes it so much that he wants me to leave it with just the swirls. The pearl is a thinner paint. And you don't actually need as much. And just repeat the process with this, and it'll start making its swirls. Once they sit upside down overnight and drain, that's what's left. And there's a lot of paint that's wasted. But after they've drained and dried, put the top back on, and they're ready to be hung. I just love the way the paint changes colors. Definitely unique. And you can leave them like this, or you can decorate them farther. I have to blame this on my favorite decorator, Rebecca Robeson, because when she did her Christmas video, she had ornaments that were very similar, although I'm sure hers weren't DIY. I got some Snow Rider textured paint and just started making squiggles to look like little trees. Let the first layer dry for about an hour. Okay, the first is dried, and now I'm putting in a second one. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. Just scribble until you make it look like a tree. And don't stick your finger in it like I just did. Got a little snow on the bottom. up somewhere to dry. And about another hour and it's ready to be hung up. Have fun with this one. Let your imagination go wild. And happy creating, everyone.